My name's Tyson Grant. I'm a staff manufacturing engineer, and what I'm doing is helping to create the factory by which we're going to create our consumables and working with the engineering team to make sure that they're both cost-effective and reliable. I was inspired to come to Truvian in that they're a startup that's San Diego focused with San Diego based investors that want to stay in town. A company that has great leadership that's kind of been through this with similar companies before, as well as a really close-knit and engaged team that I felt really confident in that they'd be able to bring this product to market. So what took me down my career path? Frankly, I get a lot of inspiration in terms of the industry we're in, helping people to have better access to their health information, and not just get better access, but to get better information out of their health status is really inspiring. I've got a daughter. I want the world that she grows up in to be even better than the one I did, and this is a small part in helping that come true.